Hi, my name is Brian Cruz. I'm a trailer truck driver here in Christchurch. I had experience working in Australia as a road train truck driver, but I'm disappointed with my previous job, not enough to support my family. I was recommended by Recruit NC and I was given the opportunity and selected to work in New Zealand. It's a very good opportunity and a good company that I can work for that matches my skills. From the beginning, they took care of my documents. They were always there to guide me until I got my visa. And I arrived in New Zealand, they didn't charge me anything for their service. Recruit NC is very professional and easy to work with. Even though I had a suspicious in my medical x-ray that took 3 months for the final result. Recruit NC is always there to support me in my situation. There are times when I lose hope, but they are still there for me to give me a moral support. There was even an issue with the recession in New Zealand, which gave me more stress, but they are still there to support and giving me advice that they are there for me, and they made me feel that I will not be abandoned. I can definitely say that they never let their client down. Their team is very excellent and highly recommended. I am very happy now because after a year of my waiting, it has faded off. Now I am here in one of the most beautiful country in the world, New Zealand, with many opportunities, and I have the opportunity to live with my family. To those who want to apply for a job in New Zealand, I highly recommend it to everyone, Recruit NC. Cheers. And thank you very much to the person who handled my application, Jerry Recruit NC.